How to add privacy policy to Wix website. Now, to add a privacy policy to Wix website, we simply have to create a new page of privacy policy and insert the text and anything that we want inside that page. So when we're on the Wix dashboard over here, you can see different options right here, right? Here you can see apps, here you can see site, menu, and so on right here. On the Wix website, you want to simply go to this pages option right here, right? So just go to the different sort of pages options, and what we will do is we will actually add a new menu item or a new page right here. So we'll click on this add page button, and we will simply name this page privacy policy. So we can add a template right about what this page is about. We can choose a certain template right like that. Otherwise, I will just select a random page right here. So once I've added the page like this, what I will do is, you can see it says adding your page and preparing the documents. Now, until this process is complete, we will go to ChatGPT or anywhere and ask it to generate a privacy policy based on what our website is about, and just copy the whole privacy policy right here. Once you copy the privacy policy, it could be any, just name the page and just paste what we copied right here inside that particular page and publish that page. I would recommend you keep it inside the more section or anywhere where people are interested to listen to your privacy policy, or you can also just put it under the footer tab of your website. So this way you should be able to add privacy policy page on Wix. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.